At Precision Garage Door Service, we know what it means to take pride in your home, your neighborhood, and your community. That pride drives everything we do. Our company why is because people matter. We strive to always take care of our employees, satisfy our customers, and become ingrained in our communities.
Garage doors, it's what we do. From new installations, opener repair and maintenance, to springs and cable repairs, and 25-point safety inspections. If it's connected to your garage door, we can fix it.
We're a local business backed by the strength and training of a national brand. That means when you call us, you're not just getting a technician, you're getting a neighbor. Someone who's been trained to the highest standard, who genuinely cares about getting the job done right. We always say we are our technicians because our people are what make precision, precision. Every technician who wears our logo is handpicked and fully trained and certified in our own facilities. Before they ever visit a home, they've worked on every garage door and opener that you'll find in your community. Because we believe you deserve confidence. Confidence that the job will be done properly and on time.
We know garage door issues don't always happen between 9 and 5. That's why we answer your calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When you call, you'll always reach a person that's ready to help. And often, we can be there the very same day.
At Precision Garage Door Service, our commitment is simple: to serve our neighbors with honesty, professionalism, and care.
Because we're more than a repair service, we're part of the community.
We are Precision Garage Door Service. Subscribe to our channel to learn from our experts. See how we work and learn what precision really means.